touch me, man.
You gonna burp?
Not yet.
You say more. Oh, that sounds weird. It's like zoomed in on your face. I got that. I got that.
I was laughing at the kid with the. Yeah, let's try it again.
Ashlyn burping.
I'm going to go to the bathroom after this.
When boys see this is gonna be very attractive.
No! Okay, you can go. You need to charge that. My next is so far away.
It's too far away. There it is. Hello.
See?
This wings are made to fly. This is the most attractive video ever.
Okay, let's try this again.
Dude.
Okay, go eat in the can. Wait, I'm too more.
Okay, well, thanks you guys for watching.
That's
This is
it.
Annie and Ash. Bye.
I'm single!
It looks like you have red hair.
Let me see.
Okay, so that's it for this, guys. Bye.